So this is the USDCAD analysis for Monday the 23rd of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had price break above 32.54. We've had several tests. We weren't able to hold on to 32.54, from which we did see sell side momentum come into the market. After we broke down from 32.54, we saw this rather large candle, which could only be news related. It's a very yes, this candle could only be news related. So some negative news of some kind after breaking down from this 32.54, seeing us break below 31.88, and we've come pretty close towards a test of 31.11. Within a couple of pips or so of that 31.11, found support, retested the area again, found support in around the 31.11 within a couple of pips, from which we have seen the bullish buy side momentum return to market. So if we do see this recovery after seeing this sharp move to the downside, we'll look to see our price react towards the 31.88 with daily confidence of the 200 period moving average still sitting around the 31.80. So in around 31.80 and 31.88, we do have a bit of a potential sell zone here, from which you could see a sell side momentum return to market. If we do see that, we'll be looking for price head down towards our 31.11. If, however, we can break and hold above 31.88, we'll be then looking for price head up towards our 32.54. And to the downside, if volatility allows and takes us beyond the 31.11 to the downside, looking for a move down towards our 30.70 before possibly a move down towards that 130 here on the US dollar CAD. What we'll do now is have a look here at the monthly chart to see how prices are developing. So here on the monthly chart of the US dollar CAD, we can see pretty clearly here we do have our lows, we have a higher low, and more recently we've had a rather strong bullish price action here on the US dollar CAD. We've had a bit of a pullback from the 33.83, but we still remain in a bullish stance here on the US dollar CAD. What we'll do now is have a look here at the weekly chart. So here on the weekly chart of US dollar CAD, we have our lows, we have higher lows, we have higher lows still. We've had this strong move to the upside towards our 33.83. We've had a bit of a pullback and consolidation. And so if we do see this, we continue to hold support in around that 131. We're looking for a possible, from a weekly chart perspective, a possible move up towards that 33.83 here, if we do have a bit of a flag and a move to the upside, after which we'll be looking for 34.57 before 35.88 here on the US dollar CAD. And finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart. And on the daily chart, we can see here we have our lows. We've had this consolidation, acceleration, momentum up towards our 33.83. Pretty sharp pullback, consolidation. Had this move beyond 32.54, came pretty close towards that 33. It didn't quite get there, and we have another pullback at present. So if we do see further pullback here from a daily chart perspective, we look to see our prices. If we aren't able to hold support in around that 31.11, we did seem to have tested the 30.70 a couple of times before seeing a bullish move. So again, we'll be looking to see our price react around that 30.70 and a possible move in alignment with the most recent trend to the upside. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.